Good luck to you. And he's got the 31 Super Barbarians. Remember, it's all about bringing attacks that we don't normally see. The non-meta hits. As he's got that Warden Walk. Ooh, quite a bit of damage to start onto this Warden here. But he's able to keep that Warden nice and healthy. Bringing the health back up here. We got some Super Barbarians to the bottom side. Archers off to the right. He's got that recall spell. Ooh, the healers. Oh, man, that owl. Was the owl getting hit or was the Warden getting hit? I think the Warden was because those healers were taking some damage. Oh, he's going to have to rage this Warden. Woo. Down goes the owl. Do not lose that Warden. You do. The attack can crumble. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's still going for the scatter shot. It's taking some time. Can he grab the multi-target Inferno? Scatter shot is going down. There's the queen to the left. Warden's not going to the queen. Oh, no, she is, but the enemy queen is picking off his Warden. Oh, and it recalls the Warden. Oh, wait, what? No, wait, it becomes a queen charge. Wait, he just did a Warden walk into a queen charge. He just passed the healers off to his queen. Huh? Checco? He did a Warden walk into a queen charge, into some Super Barbarians. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I haven't seen this before. Like, let's see what this queen can grab now. As he's going to continue this queen to the left side. And then you get Warden, just like a normal Warden, with the king off to the right. And there we go with some skeletons into the defensive king. The Warden is down, even though he's quite below health. But he can protect with that Warden Eternal Tome. There's the queen. Oh, the Town Hall becomes invisible, so he's a little late. Sends the RC into the multi. Pops King ability. We got a log launcher to cut across. The World Champion's getting hit. We got Super Miners in the defensive CC. Pops that Warden ability. And the RC, she is going to die. I don't know if that RC ability got off, but the Queen's ability, Queen's ability, Queen's ability, Queen! Whoo! She was about to die through ability, but he gets that Valley, but the Warden is gone. The defensive Super Miners are coming through. And he's not removing that Eagle Artillery yet. He wanted to get deeper into the core of this base. The Electro Titan does come out of here, but the Queen is going down. We only got 40 seconds left. Still trying to continue his way, dropping the Super Barbarians around the edge of this base here. Oh, man. I love the plan. I'm doing a Warden walk into the Queen walk, but the time, though, the time to execute that is very difficult. And that Royal Champion getting picked off definitely didn't help. But very nice try. What a way of thinking there. Of pulling the Warden and not pulling your healers. So the healers can go to that Queen. As it's only the 79% 2-star for Checco. He's got some P.E.K.K.A.s. He's got the lightning spells as well. And a couple golems. And a 10 wizards in the mix. Let's see. There's a lot of box-style bases here, so not the anti-3. So those are a little bit harder to try to come up with some creative plans, as a symmetrical base can be quite annoying, but at least it's not those ring bases. As that Warden is trying to clear the defensive RC, that Poison Lizard is doing work. Down it goes. Warden is getting pulled a little... Nope, never mind. He stops hitting that Royal Champion. He's gonna slowly try to... Oh, no. Oh, no. He dropped a headhunter. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, 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 no. The Warden's ability was forced. Oh, that's gonna really hurt. The Warden ability is what is critical for an attack as he lures out the CC. He lures a little bit of the Clan Castle out. I think the headhunters ran to the king or something, but we got a bunch of archers. Oh, no. This is bad. This is bad. Guys, he drops the poison spell. Oh my, he freezes the scatter shot. The Warden is down to like no health. Hang on, Warden. Oh my, but he's got no more poison. That one thing, he just, no freeze on the RC, cost that Warden ability. Now use the Queen to the top side. Is he going all the way across? This could be a 1. This indeed could be a 1-star, as we've got the Golem up to the top side to move his way across with the log launcher, which looks like is what we want. Couple skeleton spells to help that, provide that distraction, as he's going to make his way in with the king. Some wizards. It's the go-wee-wee. The old school attack. For all those OG Clash of Clans players. Oh my. As he's continuing his way through, but no Warden ability. Oh, and he's going all out. That log launcher is now being used to cut all the way across this base. Remember, he hasn't even pulled out the CC yet. The log launcher is trying to open these walls. That queen, the king has died already. Oh boy. Whatever's in the CC is going to be a problem. The P.E.K.K.A. is going straight for this queen, doing some damage, taking her out. The logs are launching these goblins one by one. Look at the log launcher actually doing work. Oh my god, it's even launching the skellies of the witch. And it's even launching the witch. Holy, what a log launcher. Is that the best log launcher I've ever seen? It launched everything as he's cutting across with that range. Luckily, it wasn't an ice golems or a lava hound, as the queen is now stepping her way to the town hall. She can use her ability. He's still got to freeze. He broke through the wall. Town hall will be going down. Does this have a chance? He's got 2 headhunters to go on to the defensive king. The healers are keeping this queen alive, but he's only got 20 seconds. Time is not on his side. That was the most OP log launcher I've ever seen. Wow, he's going to have to pop this queen ability, pop the RC ability as a time fail. It's a time fail there for Cronos. But what a great effort. Whew, 86% 2-star. Wow. Mammuth wants to bring healers, hogs. He's got a Velk. He's got quad quakes and 4 invisibility spells. Okay. He's got no poison here. He's got an Electro Titan, which is probably what's going to be used to help take out the CC. Lands that blimp early. There's the Invis. There's the Rage. A Blizzard. Looking to remove the Eagle. The multi. It won't get the multi behind, but if he Earthquakes this, could it? You know, and he does take out the king. Could be a nice bonus there. As we got the queen to the bottom side at 6. No builders to repair that multi, so it'll stay damaged like that. Handful of balloons to help set a funnel potentially for a queen to try to make her way into the town hall. And yes, there's the earthquakes and... Oh, wait, look at this. Wait a second. Look what he did. He used the Earthquake 1 to remove the multi, but then he barely opened up this compartment to keep the troops to go directly in from this side to this side and not move. Is that what he's trying to get a smash through this section or something like that? Is where he's seeing skeleton spells? I'm thinking, because then he could try to wall break this. Oh man, the way he offset those earthquakes to get this pathing straight through the core of this base. As there's the wall break, it's going to open this wall. Look at it. It opens it. He's going to smash his way through, but the single locks onto the queen. He's not paying attention. He does. He freezes the town hall. He freezes the single. Headhunter, world champion, pulling out the CC of triple ice golems. But the invisibility spell is going to activate. Pops that Warden Belly through the poison. Now he's pathing his way directly through the core because of the earthquakes. We're offset to get him straight into the middle, to the scatter shot, to the backside. Town hall is going down with that queen and her ability, and here comes the hogs to the top side. He's still moving through. The queen's taking a lot of damage. Her ability might just be forced. His RC goes to the monolith. Should cause the diggy, should stun it. It does. The queen's ability goes off. King comes back alive to get to the scatter. Oh my, what a break to get that king all the way over there. But the Phoenix needs to move through. But the hogs have all kind of disappeared here. The World Champion's ability skips through. A few more hogs. He needs to get the cleanup behind. 45 seconds left. And he's got it. Look at the offset earthquake. Blizzard into a queen charge. Very nice plan there to Mammuth. And wow. I saw Riqirez do a similar attack to this. Offsetting earthquakes at Town Hall 14 to open up a brilliant pathing into a core of a base. And Mammuth does just this here with the sneaky goblins and Seaman swagging invisibility spell. What an attack. GG, the 3 stars for their team. Now the pressure. Riqirez with Rockaloons. 9 witches. You know that Eric's gotta be going happy right now. He's seeing the witches. Let's see what Riqirez can do. We see 1 single target Inferno, but we see 2 multi-target Infernos. As we got Rockaloons and the Blimp. The Blimp pulling out some of the CC. It's going. He's got invisibility spells. He lands a little early. There's the Invis, so he can go for the Ground Expo. Oh, look at that. Oh, wait. He went for the ground expo, which actually chained from the expo to the bomb tower so he can go and grab the town hall and not... Okay. What a perfectly placed invisibility spell right there. As a poison spell is on his own queen here to help clear these lava pups nice and easy as we're seeing witches to the top side. With a couple healers, 6 more witches to use. Warden is behind this queen. There's an ice golem. Watch out for a spring... Oh, wait, he drops a goblin? I was going to say, is there going to be a spring trap right there for the ice golem? Oh, yep. He actually froze the enemy queen like that. But the scatter, the ground expo... Oh, ow, oh, the warden abilities... Oh, he freezes! Oh, he freezes just in time! He drops 2 wall breakers, 3 headhunters to protect him with a warden ability, and he... Yes! He uses it, which opens up to the core. Headhunters pulling traps, giant bombs, small bombs, ground skeletons, as we've got witches off to the far left side with the healers behind a golem. Pops queen ability as she's stepping in to remove the eagle artillery. King still got his ability. Look at the witches completely overwhelming this left side. As long as he can stay far enough away from the bomb tower, wizard tower, he can keep going. Royal Champion is clearing the core of this base. King's got his ability to run around. This is not looking too bad. Those healers are doing work to keep these witches alive. The bomb tower is quite annoying, but he needs to make the RC invisible, and he does to take out the ground expo, continue his way around, but he did lose his queen. Uh-oh, but he lost all those witches on the left side. That Royal Champion, there's the invis to keep her alive to try to remove this scatter shot. He needs this ground expo to not go into the Royal Champion. She does remove that scatter just in time. But these witches are dying off. The skellies are dying off. He didn't get the push to the left side with the witches and the healers over there. They lost that momentum. Oh, man. Very nice charge. That warden ability had to protect the queen and the headhunters, which means that Checco and Mammuth are going to have a lead here with the king coming back alive to get some percentage. And the percentage game will probably also be on Checco and Mammuth's side because of the triple. But we'll have to take a look. But anything can happen because remember, at the end of this match is a judge voting, which can sway the outcome of the match dependent on who you thought was more creative. But GG, 93% to... He's got 7 super archers. Wait, what? Huh? What? Oh, no. Oh, no. That log launcher. What was the point? Oh, no. That had to be a mistake. There's no way. What was that? What? Hello? Or was it planned? A log launcher? Just a funnel? On the bottom side? Okay. We've got that warden to help clear towards this eagle artillery. He's going to help try to grab this area. With that super archer in the far right side, there is the... Oh, okay. The lightning helps to remove the scatter, the ground expo, and the defensive rage. The air defense needs to go down. Super archer can clear it, but it'll take some... Oh, wait, never mind. The owl helped chain through it because it was damaged from the super archer as he's removing this eagle artillery. But no log launcher here. What's the plan? Claren is taking his time. Imagine they don't take any siege machine and just go a regular clan castle. Now that's crazy, right? As the warden is now down with the queen, recalled the healers. Gonna bring them back here to try to go for the town hall. A couple balloons onto the cannon. Warden is taking a lot of damage from the ground expo. Unfortunately, there's a skeleton spell to keep the expo distracted so the warden does not get targeted on too quickly, but he might just... That just might happen. But the healers actually transfer the warden to keep the warden's health back up as he's pathing his way towards this town hall. He does not lure out the defensive clan castle. Queen is getting hit by the Mammuth. There's the rage. There's the warden ability to move in, taking out the defensive king as his king goes to this left side. He will be stepping into the town hall to help try to remove that. The ground expo goes down, but 2 super miners do come out of the defensive CC, which that warden will go down fast. Queen is helping clear these. Down they go. Oh, okay. Loses 1 healer to a Seeking Air Mine. Now the Raw Champion's coming into this Archer Tower. Wall break up there. Pops Queen ability, but she's standing right in that Town Hall poison. We have the single that's still up. As he's making his way around, double giant bombs into the enemy Raw Champion. But something did not go according to plan. It had to have been a mistake. No way he planned to use a log launcher that early to get just a few buildings, unless it was for something? To get some the logs off? I don't even know. As the RC goes down, and now it's all about percentage. So if Cronos or Riqirez triples, they will take the lead right back from him. It will be going back and forth. It's going to come down to the final set of attacks in this match to move on. But Checco with an 81% of what just happened. As he's got the Valkyries with a couple super Valks and bat spells in the mix. A 3-star is definitely what they're looking here for, to at least tie the war up on stars, and they'll take the percentage lead as we've got the Skelly Donut coming down at the same time to remove the multi. The double ground expos, the multi is going down. There's another invis. Ooh, one expo goes down. Oh, these bats are taking a lot of damage. He uses one more. No, it's the scatter shots. The scatter shots skipping and hitting the bats, unfortunately, which means that ground expo is going to remain standing. And that is definitely going to be a problem in this attack. He definitely did not want that to be up. As we got a super Valk. Oh, okay. That super Valk dies. Which, oh, look, the headhunter is going to get raged up right away from the super Valk. It's going to be a quick and early rage to move in. He's dropping a skeleton spell. Healer's coming back. Warden trying to move into that monolith. Okay, there's a bat spell right onto the eagle. The bat spell is trying to remove that. The defensive rage goes off, which, oh, the scatter shot. He needs these bats. No, the splash from the scatter is causing him so many problems. As he freezes it up, the queen is going to basically force her ability here. She's walking around double seeking air mines. With that Warden Eternal Tome, Headhunter's coming across, does protect that queen. She's going to walk all the way to the right side, ignoring this Eagle Artillery. These bats are going to take forever onto that to move through, as he does lure out this clan castle of archers and more archers. And a crazy amount of archers here with some wizards and more Valkyries to come out of the CC. So he's going all out. Finally drops the poison spell with an ice golem coming out. As we've got a super Valkyrie up to the top side trying to help that P.E.K.K.A. That queen's ability was forced. One more super Valk, but the problem is, guys, there's an invisibility spell right next to this town hall. It is active. This might be a 1. Oh no. He's gonna have to freeze. We got a king coming back alive. The rage from the super Valk goes through, but it looks like the town hall is gonna stay. Oh no! Wow. The town hall stays up, and just like that can cost him the match. Leaving the town hall open. Look at that. A 69% 1-star. What can he do with lightning spells? He definitely knows. Do not get a 1-star. 2 stars is what is absolutely critical to be having the secured lead here. And depends on what Riqirez can do in his final attack. As the Stone Slammer is coming in to open up, take out the bomb tower. He's going to have a blizzard. No, okay, so he's got a lightning, which destroys the monolith, destroys the uh-oh. Wait a second. We got Sneaky Goblin. Oh, perfect timing. Sneaky Goblins came out to now lock onto the town hall. Wow. What a perfect timing using that Stone Slammer lightning spell to help make the town hall not invisible just there so it can get locked onto as he secured the 1st star with that poison spell. Clearing these ice golems. Balloon into the archer tower. Then it's going to make its way over to the wizard here. He's going to take his time. He's got a couple Electro Titans with the archer in the far corner. Those ground expos, man, they can be nasty, but the warden's not stepping anywhere in range of it at the moment. As we got the golem, going to lure the warden off to the left, to the top side, into the eagle. As the queen's going to follow behind with the Electro Titans. And that golem is absorbing the eagle artillery shots. With that king now coming to the far left side. He's moving his way through the ground skeletons, popping Electro Titans, clearing them, freezing the wizard and the defensive Grand Warden. Pops the king ability. Dropping that rage, and he's going to be securing the 2 stars pretty quickly here. But the CC, oh, he pops that Warden ability, really protects everything. As the Royal Champion, he makes this stuff invisible. So the RC tried to go to the core, but she doesn't go there. The healers have actually transferred off to the RC, taking out this Wizard Tower, taking out the Ground Expo with the multi, and eventually trying to path her way into the middle multi. She looks like she'll do that. She's getting healed up. The Ground Expo will not lock onto her for a little while. Hogs are coming to the left. He's got a skeleton spell to utilize. Pops the Queen to try to remove the scatter, and he grabs it. Now the Royal Champion's still going, but he's only got 45 seconds left. You got the spells to use. He's trying to sneak around, making his way through. Stuns the Ground Expo. Hogs, the Queen is actually still alive, barely, as he pops the RC ability. He's got the spells. He drops it, the skeleton spell to distract the King, sends Headhunters, freezes it up. Wait a sec. Can this work here? With the Headhunters coming in, taking out the defensive King. There's the Invis. The King goes down. Time is the biggest issue. The wall break damages the defensive CC. He's running through, but he's only got 10 seconds. The storage off on the far right. He's running. The Phoenix is working. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What? No way. It actually tripled still. What? Riqirez. He's got some Barch. 35 Barbarians, 35 Archers. Handful of freezes. Starts off with balloons. Handful of them with the early Warden, balloon, Stone Slammer, Headhunters. He's going to do an early Warden ability to protect all these balloons. Headhunters cleared that King. Finds a Tornado Trap. Pulls a defensive Electro Titan out of the CC. Really trying to clear all this, but the freeze was a little late. The Invis actually... wait a sec. Okay, the Electro Titan's here. Oh, we got sneakies. Oh, no. The Electro Titan is going to do damage. Oh, no! No! The Giant Bomb Electro Titan combination! Are you serious? Oh, rip. Wow. That Town Hall is barely hanging on. But that Electro Titan did work on the defensive side, as he's going to have this Queen walk her way into the Town Hall. The Ice Golem is going to pop, but the invisibility spell is coming back to activate, as we've got Barbarians off to that left side to try to force this King in. The handful of wall breakers. There's a Queen ability. One-shots the Town Hall. Down that goes. The Invis goes off, taking out the multi, as the Queen's trying to go through with that King ability. He did wall break through with that Royal Champion to the left, freezing the RC and the scatter shot together, trying to make his way around, but oh man, not going Riqirez, and Cronos is way right there as the King comes back alive with that Phoenix. Gonna take out the scatter shot, moving his way through. Single target Inferno locks onto the Ice Golem, and it's just a matter of getting a percentage right there. But they will be down by 3, which we definitely know a judge vote will not be able to bring you back from that, as we know who's going to win this matchup. RC ability was forced. There's an Invis with a Headhunter to come through towards the enemy Queen. And of course, the Headhunter even gets sprung. Rip. Nice try there, Riqirez. Cronos with the 1-star. Unfortunate. Things do happen, but congratulations to Checco and Mammuth, as they will be taking this. Only a 68% 2-star there, my friends. But of course, we still do have to take a look at the final judging votes. Oh my, but let's go to the... we'll see the judge votes.